In this video, we're going to show you how to install the R4i kernel. First, add a new folder called Games, and then you need DS menu dash. Okay, so to do it, click here, extract, and then click there, and then copy. When that's done, you have to put the DS Moonshell and DS in the system folder. And it doesn't work. So, I have two games. Let's cut. And then games, copy, paste. You can also download games from the ROMs Mania if you wish. But sometimes they can resist and they don't work. But you have to unzip them first so they can go to the R4i Card. Right? Yeah. So, extract that and then go to DS Games and then copy. Okay, now it's done. We are gonna put it's done. I'm gonna stop recording. Bye. And you can get your own R4i card on the website if you wish.